If you have been around kids long enough, you know the curious rush of questions that, as simple as they seem, often having scratching your head. However, just because we grow up doesn't mean that our curiosity about the world around us goes away. So if you are ready to finally get the answers to the random questions that lie abandoned in the back of your brain, then you have turned into the right video. Number 1. Why do you get goosebumps? Goosebumps form when tiny muscles at the base of hair follicle contract. In the animal kingdom, this helps them warm up faster by standing each hair on end and creating a sort of insulation. In case of danger, having all their hairs in the first standing helps an animal look bigger and more threatening in front of an enemy. And even though we don't need fur to keep us warm or scare our enemies, humans still get goosebumps in cold weather or in emotional states. It's the result of an instinctual release of adrenaline, which means that goosebumps are just an evolutionary hand-me-down from our ancient ancestors. Number 2. Why does your voice sound different on a recording? Have you ever heard your own voice on a recording? Utterly unrecognizable, isn't it? What causes this is the ability of our own bones to conduct sound. Other people hear the sound waves of your voice coming only through the air, and the recording also contains just these sounds. Yet, the way we hear our own voices is a combination of the regular sounds and the low frequency sounds conducted by the bones of our skulls. That's why the first recording of your voice may come to you as a shocking surprise. Number 3. Why does the sun darken your skin, yet lighten your hairs? In both cases, the sun's UV rays break down melanin, which is the pigment responsible for the color of your hair and skin. The difference is in the fact that hair is made up of dead cells while the skin cells are alive. When the pigment is destroyed by the sun, it's not replenished in the hair, so it gets lighter. Your skin, however, answers to the sun's aggression with a stronger replenishment of melanin, thus making the color darker and giving you that glowing summery tan. Number 4. Why does time pass more slowly for a child? You get the feeling that between each of your birthday time is speeding up. Well, that's probably because when you are a child, you have to remember more events. Kids are only starting to get acquainted with the world around them, and their memory has to collect more data, so their year contains more new and unfamiliar events than that of a grown-up adult. Adults have been there, done that, so to say this means that they can rely on previous experiences too quickly to get through current situations, but a child that doesn't have this experience, so they take time analyzing much more information. So maybe the right expression would be time flies when you are having to be an adult. Number 5. Why don't your eyeballs get cold when it's freezing outside? Well, that's an interesting question. The answer is that there are no temperature receptors in your eyes. Plus, most of your eyeball is sitting inside your skull, so it's kept nice and toasty by the blood flow inside. Number 6. Why do your eyes close when you sneeze? When you feel a sneeze coming on, of course you know that every time you sneeze, your eyes always close. And why is this? Scientists aren't completely sure, but they do believe that it could be an instinctual response in order to keep the flying debris and germs coming out of your mouth from falling into your eyes. It also could be because the muscles in your face, including the one around your eyes, you voluntarily tighten whenever you sneeze. Number 7. Why don't city pigeons perk in trees? The pigeons hanging out in urban areas have developed a habit of settling on the rocky landscape where there are no trees. It means they didn't inherit the tree perching reflex of the rural or jungle friends. The structure of their limbs doesn't physically prevent them from sitting on trees. They are just not used to such behavior, so you can say that these birds have been citified. Number 8. Why do raccoons wash their food? Not only is it super adorable, but it's also practical. Raccoons often get their food from the water and its surroundings, so there can be some algae that they are trying to clean off. Another reason is so cute. Raccoons might kill their prey this way by simply rinsing off the life out of it. Hardcore. Number 9. Why do birds fly in V formation? First of all, it's energy efficient. No, not like those fancy light bulbs. Let me explain. The birds flying in the front row create currents of air with their wings, and those flying in the back rows can catch their drifts and save their energy. Plus, this formation helps all the birds at once see the leader who always flies first. Number 10. Why do we yawn when we are tired? When we are feeling bored or sleepy, our breathing slows down. Your body doesn't like this because it needs your blood to be full of giving life oxygen. So when you yawn, your lungs filled with air that then feed your blood with the oxygen it needs to carry throughout your body. Another reason could be that yawning stretches, flexes your muscles in your chest, which speeds up your heart rate and give you more energy. Number 11. Why do clock hands move circularly? Before we had handy digital clocks or even good old mechanical ones, people relied on sundials to tell the time. These old clocks had a pull in the center that passes shadow around the plate as the sun moves across the sky. In the northern hemisphere, the movement of the sun caused the shadow to go from the left to the right. The first mechanical version of the clock was invented exactly there sometimes later, so you can thank the sun for those hands spinning around the clocks. Number 12. Why is the ring finger used for blood test? Well, part of it is process elimination. The thumb and little finger are closely connected to the wrist. So if you get an infection from piercing these fingers, it can travel up into the arm. Therefore, it's advised to take blood from any finger except thumb or little finger. On top of that, the ring finger is the least sensitive. It works less than other fingers and has thinner skin. Since you don't use this finger often, pricking it doesn't hurt so much and it heals more quickly. Number 13. Why do goats have rectangular pupils? These animals, just like horses and hippos, need rectangular pupils for survival. With the help of these strange looking pupils, goats can see over 280 degrees around them, which gives the animals a perfect means to spot predators wherever they are. It's especially important for grazing animals that keep their head down to the ground. Number 14. Why do you need to sleep? When you sleep, it optimizes the synapse in your brain, which means that your memories solidify and tidbits of the information you have gotten throughout the day move from your short-term to your long-term memory. The more easy your body demands this type of rest to develop some tissue and synthesis hormones. Remember, the younger you are, the more sleep you need. Number 15. Where does toilet waste go on a plane? Doesn't it go flying towards the ground at a top speed? Hopefully not. That sounds dangerous. When you press the flush button on the plane, a valve opens and sucks down everything out of the bowl. The contents are then carried into a holding tank within seconds. A single one of those strange tanks can hold about 20 gallons of waste. Right after the plane lands, a service truck removes all the waste from the tanks. Props the guys whose work is to drive that truck. Have you found the answer to any of the questions hanging at your brain? Press the like button and remember to share this video with your friends and click the subscribe button. As always, thanks for watching.